Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Pilot Acroball 3+1. And for this particular multi-pin, we have black, blue, and red ink, and then we have a pencil. This just, well, I'm not crazy. I'm never crazy about when they use the clip as one of the mechanisms to extend something. So, that's not amazing. If you're interested in this particular pen, I'll include links in the description. You can find it on Amazon or JetPens, and it runs about $6 or $8. If you look at right here, it says, I think that's 500 yen, so it's about $5 or so. So there's not too much of a markup, really. Alright, let's try this out. Now, the deal with the Acroball is it's supposed to use lower viscosity ink, so it's supposed to write more smoothly. So let's see. Let's try it out. So this is the Pilot Acroball. Wait, Acroball. I'm saying it wrong. Acroball 3+1. It writes okay. It's not too bad. Three plus one. I mean, it's not like spectacular. But it's not bad. I don't dislike writing with it. Oops. And then let's try the pencil out. Pilot Acroball 3+1. Do we have an eraser? I don't know if we have an eraser or not. We don't seem to have an eraser. Unless it unscrews. I guess there's no eraser. I'm fine with that. So if you want to replace any of these, you just unscrew right here and pull them out, maybe. Maybe not pull them out. Does that look like it comes out to y'all? Can y'all see that right there? I'm thinking maybe this does not come out. Alright, so maybe you don't refill it. Kind of interesting. It did not seem like it wanted to come out when I tried to pull it out. Let's try again. So if I hold this and maybe pull it like that. No. Because, okay, look. Let's look at that mechanism in there. It looks like this whole thing is connected. So, yeah. I'm thinking it doesn't come out, so no refills. I don't think there are any refills. If I missed something, let me know in the comments, but it does not look like it's refillable, which is kind of interesting. I mean, it's not bad. This kind of feels like the Pilot, it's more of like the equivalent of the old classic Bic multi-pen, like the blue and white one. I don't know. Kind of interesting. I mean, it's not bad to write with, and it's pretty inexpensive. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'll include information in the description if you want to check it out. And if you have any suggestions for anything you think I should take a look at, you can let me know in the comments. And also, if I missed how to refill this, let me know down there as well. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.